Hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney, and today we are going to be doing our Tiny Tuesdays. Yay! I am in desperate need of a snack, so I'm going to try to make this quick because I'm hungry. It's Sunday night. It's like 10:30, and I am feeling like I've got the munchies. I just don't know what's going on, but I might make some popcorn after this. What is your favorite go-to snack? Let me know in the comments. Are you going for a sweet snack, a salty snack, sweet and salty combined? And are you going for junk food, or are you a healthy snacking type of person? I kind of mix it up. I have some nectarines, so I might grab one of those. I also have some potato chips and like dip that I've been enjoying. So we'll see what the vibes are, but maybe some popcorn. I usually make popcorn on Sunday nights, and I haven't done that in so long. That might be good. Okay. So, how are y'all doing? How's your Tuesday going? I hope y'all are having a really great day and a good week. I hope you guys are staying happy and healthy. Okay. Stress-free, you know? So last week, we finished all of the Tinies that I had. It was crazy. I've never done that before. And so this week is why we have all these new Tinies. So that's kind of fun. Okay, so this first one is by me. It's my thank you for, oh gosh, was this 200 subscribers? I don't remember, but it's on my Ko-fi still, so you can still grab it if you like it. And I had to do the little croissant one because, you know, I'm a French teacher and had to do it. So each one of these is just going to be $1 because there are so many Tinies that I want to do, and I don't want them to stick around too long. All right, next we have this little Valentine's one by Printable by Woods. This was in a set with a couple minis, and I think we're definitely going to finish this one today. We're going to make each heart $2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, okay. So that's great. We are finishing this one. See, this is what I love about Tinies. It just feels so good to finish challenges, guys, and to lock in those savings. You know what I mean? Okay, so cute. Love it. I'm going to paper clip this and put it in our savings bag. I think I told y'all last time that I was going to link this, and I never did. So I'm going to do my best to link this bag because I know some people have commented on it. So I'll try to link that for you. The one I got is like the medium size, so you can get 3 different sizes. The medium one I think is about like $13. So, okay, this next one is by High Country Budgeting, and we have a cute little ballerina hippo. And let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I want to? I think, you know what? That's fine. We're just going to fill out all the things. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So $8. I've debated switching my mini me's and my Tiny Tuesdays and doing Tiny Tuesdays as like Aria's sinking funds, but I don't know what I would call it then. Okay. This next one is by 6 Girls Budget, Beth at 6 Girls Budget, And we have one that we can cross off here for today. So $2 saved with this one. So I'll link her channel below. If you have not checked her out, go check her out. And you can grab that in her Ko-fi. All right, this one is by Happy Budgeting Mom. And we're gonna do $1 a piece for these ones. So each icon is $1. So we will do 2 today. All right. And last but not least, we have Vicky Thinks and her cute little spring design here with this flower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're gonna do 2 per, what's it called? Heart. So we'll fill in 2, 4, 6, and half of this heart. Okay, so go check out Vicky Thinks if you have not checked out her channel yet, and grab some of her freebies in her Ko-fi. They're all so cute. All of these freebies are amazing. I'm just so thankful to those of you who create freebies. It's so fun, and Tinies are a great way to start saving. So if you haven't jumped on the bandwagon yet, this is my official call to you. Come on, jump on the bandwagon. It's fun. All right. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow for our debt binder games or scratch offs. Bye.